Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you guys? In today's video, as you can see the topic, I just want to do this quickly just to show you the 3 Black Friday deals. Although I don't believe in Black Fridays, it's Friday is so blessed for me. Anyway, so the idea is to make use of that opportunity to get some huge discounts on every day what I pay for. Okay, so if you're into crypto, these 3 Black Friday deals should be, if you're a beginner, I mean, if you're into crypto for long, you will not, you will be doing this. But if you're a beginner, this is a deal, you need to get it. I'm going to show you what's all those deals. This is like, I mean, I would say as me as a beginner, like into 5 to 6 months into the crypto, I learned this from the other TikTokers and as well as the other YouTubers who showed a way to save on subscriptions. You need to pay in order to make money online. You need to pay something. You need to pay on few subscriptions, and this is where it comes on Black Friday deal. You're gonna save some money throughout the year. This is what the specialty of these Black Friday deals. Really, you're going to save in that. And you're going to make money out of it as well. That's the reason I'm showing you. Anyway, so this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I totally appreciate your support. I do most of the videos into make money online, affiliate marketing, and now into crypto as well. Let's jump onto the video. The first thing which I would say is my favorite one is, here we go. It's called Bitscap. Thing is, as I said, why I do promote bots in crypto. Crypto is all about, you can make money in crypto a lot if you can do trading. If you can sit and do day trading, you can make a lot. But as a beginner, you lose a lot. You don't know how to do it. So me, same situation. So what did I do it? I have no time, like, full day sitting in the front of my PC. So what I did, I decided is I learned from from a couple of the courses as well as from the other mentors that bots are the way to get regular income. It might be a small profit, that's fine, but you get a regular income. Instead of not doing it, you get the regular income coming in. So that's what I prefer this one. So basically, what is Bitscap? It's basically it's a grid bot. It's gonna buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So there's only one way. It is gonna make only profit. There's no loss. It might be a small profit. Whatever it is, a bear market or a bull market, you will make only profit. It might be depending upon the market value, it might be less. You're going to make less profit, more profit, depends upon the market value, but you are going to make profit. That's the thing. Anyway, so let me show you just quickly into my Bitscap account what has been happening. You can see this one. At the moment, I'm making around like 18, 15, 17 to $20 per day. That's what I've been to, because I recently took profit some of my because it's not just bot. This, you can see, this is a bot profit. You can see this is the change, which are all the best performing coins are here, and these are all the profit which the bot made for me. Apart from this is what is the most important value: 57% change from the time I chose that coin. That means this 57% includes this profit. This will always be green. This is what I before just to tell you. This is what the green, basically buy low, sell high. Greens are the low, and the reds are the sell orders. So buy low, sell low. This is what the bots do. Okay, so you are going to make profit always, but this will change depending upon, see, this is green, this is green, but there's also some reds. You can see, I'll show you some reds are there. See, these are red. That means due to market value, it's gone down. The status is going down. It's because of the market down. Now market value is going down. So this is still be profit, but this is very important value. This is the most important thing. Although bot will make profit, this is what I do, because see this one, I just to show you spot history. Why did I take profit from this one here? Because the Gala was performing top 270%. So how can I not take profit out of it? I completely sold it because I know this was like, as soon as I know it was going to crash, like, it was, I mean to say, like correction of the Bitcoin, I took the profit out. But what I'll do is I will go again and start the bot on Gala. Why? Reason is I know it is performing well, and it is a coin on the metaverse. It is going to perform well. I'll go and start it. So I know it is a performing well coin. I'll put again $500 or $1,000. Depends upon how much you put. That's the most important thing, guys. Although there's small profit, you see, reason why you see small profit is, let me show you. This depends upon this one. The money you invest here, if you are going to put, I would really suggest to put at least $1,000 to $3,000 to start with. If you can't put like me, I'm in a kind of a cash truck now because I invested on different things. What did I do? I just put less money. See, only $200 in this, only $300, only $50 in this. That's what makes the difference between these. If you can put more money, that basically you give more money to your bot, it will produce more and more good results. This is what you will see. The more you put, you get more results. But depends upon the market as well. That's also the same. But end of the day, you will make profit. But when you see a parabolic rise on any coin, like the one which I showed you in the Gala thing, I just took profit. I know it is. If the market is going down, it is going to crash. And when the Bitcoin goes down, everything goes go down. I want to lock in the profit, and I took it. That's the reason I'm going to start again. That's for sure. But anyway, this is not a video to explain all those things. But you can go and watch my other videos to set it up, how to set up the bots and stuff. Okay, that's a different thing. But I just main thing I wanted today show you is the pricing part. You pay money. Although I pay like I am paying actually $120. This is the reason I'm getting this as well, because this is the actually when you click my link in my description, of course it is my affiliate link. I do get a small commission out of it, but I appreciate your support. But when you click through my link, you get a free trial on this version, so you have a chance to run 20 bots. But after the trial, it's up to you. If you want to have 5, you can go for the 5. If you want to have 2. But I always suggest to go at least minimum 5. Reason is you get more option to choose more coins. And I also, if you notice my list of the coins, I always go on to those coins which I believe in the long run. I mean, I can make profit long way. I don't want to change again and again. I mean, I know it is like I can make more money from these coins for long term. That is the coin I choose. I didn't go for Shiba, I didn't go for Doge, because these are all like pump and dump ones. So that's the reason I choose also better coins. Anyway, so this is the you having a 35% discount on these coins only for the next 3 days. That's the reason of doing this video. You get that saving of this much money easily. This subscription will be covered on your bot profit. Minimum solid, even if you put small amount to the bot, minimum you can make like $300 to $500. So easily you can cover this $45 or $97. That is a solid. I'm an example which I started the bot with the smallest amount. I know lots of people in the YouTube videos, they put $3,000, at least $5,000 to each bot. But I didn't do like that. I started only with the $500, like 300 I think. Then I put 500. So that's how I do it. But easily this can be covered. So this is the first bot I would recommend. The other one is of course, the top in the market, which is the 3Commerce, which is not just the grid bot. You also get a DCA bot. So this is the other bot, which is also there. The link is in my description. You can see this. This is a huge saving, 60%. That's the reason this is the best my option here, this one here. Of course, if you want to go bigger one, like both grid and DCA, you can go for this one, $39 per month. Basically, only if you pay the yearly version, you'll save it. I'm telling you, if you run these bots easily you can make. If you get, it might take you like 1 month or 3 months when you start out. If you can regularly feed these bots in a year's time, I can guarantee I mean, everything depends, what God wills. But I'm telling you, easily, whether it is a bear or bull market, you can easily make $100 per month regularly. I mean, it's what I'm saying, $100 per day, every day. Because now I'm making $20 per day, $18 to $20. The reason is I feed it only less amount, but more you feed, if I can give more and more for each bots, you can easily make at least, they are guessing around, one of the video I learned is, they're saying it like $10,000 to $20,000 total value if you can invest. You can easily straight away get $100 per day. That's how, but I didn't go full in, I did not put all my money in. Okay, I just put like 3,000 totally now, 3,000 or 5,000 I think total bots for the 20 bots I'm talking about. But they're saying for each bot they're saying to invest like 1,000 to 3,000. End of the day, when I can make regularly, when I started I made it only $3 per day. Now I'm like sitting at $17 to $20 per day. If I can do, inshallah, within like in a year's time, I should reach that $100 per day goal. Bidinillah. Okay. Anyway, so that's the point of showing you this 3Commerce. This also has DC. This is different. They also have grid as well as DCA, but this option, which is what I'm going to, DCA bots, which is a different one to the grid bot. Okay, that's a different one. But you can still have, if you want to go in this one, show this option here. It has unlimited grid as a DCA. So it's up to you. The link in the description. This is the best in the market, 3Commerce. But why did I start with Bitgas? Because that is more user friendly, less setup. So that's the reason I started with that. Of course, you can go for 3Commerce as well. And the third and the last one is, here we go, TradingView. This, everybody in the crypto market will have this tool, no doubt about it. but we'll all be using a free version. But if you really want to see the full potential of these tool, you need to get the pro version, and this is the only time you can get the free discount. I mean, they say like free. I mean, they say 60% discount throughout the year. It will not come. I have seen this. That's the reason I'm showing you. This is only for 3 days as well. So just a quick video just to tell you about these three tools, which will be a. I'm not telling if you don't have money, don't go for it. But if you really want to make a regular income, bots are the way to start, because we are all like emotional creatures. Okay, so we are, when we do day trading, we might say no, whether to sell or not, whether the market will go up or down. No, but the bot, they don't care. They just buy low, sell high. That's it. That's the reason I go for the bots and this trading view. All the links are in my description. I appreciate your support by clicking through my link. That's what I do, affiliate marketing as well as crypto. So I appreciate support by clicking the link below, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed with these investment. This is regular way of making money in all days, like throughout the year. That's the reason I'm telling you, because with the bots, as I told you, these bots love sideways movements. If you go in the bear market time, this is how the market will not be too up or too low. It will be just fluctuating in the sideways mostly. So this is where you can make really a regular income. That's what I'm saying. I'm not going to say like pumping like huge, but the market will be down, but still you will have a regular income coming in. That's the reason I really wanted to do this Bitscap and the three combos as well as trading view. Anyway, that's it, guys. Three best investment during this Black Friday deals if you really want to go for it. That's it, guys. Short video just to let you know. It takes money, it takes money to make money online, and this is a regular way of making money. A complete, even for a newbie beginner, you will initially you might feel that why it's a big amount, but don't worry. I'm telling you, with how I was worried, but now when I can see like it's $18-20 coming, then I know that I should keep on doing this. Within a year, inshallah, I can reach that goal of $100 per day within Layla. Anyway, that's it, guys. This is all about the 3 Black Friday deals on crypto. I'm sure it will benefit you as well. If you're first time watching, make sure to click the link, subscribe, as well as click the link. Click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I do these kind of videos. Thanks a lot for time. See you in the next one. Bye.